I have some thoughts this evening about Jamaica and West Indies all-rounder Andre Russell opting out of West Indies duty to play franchise T20 cricket and having sustained a grade 3 muscle tear in the IPL, which normally take about 6 weeks to heal. Russell was back playing after 2 weeks. So in addition to choosing franchise cricket over international cricket, Russell is also willing to play through injury and pain for his franchise teams while leaving West Indies out in the cold. And of course, people are pressure Andre Russell, saying he is not loyal to the West Indies cause and blah, blah, blah. But you know what say? The Maverick can defend Russell on this one. Things and time change. This crop of Caribbean T20 superstars, the likes of Russell, Chris Gayle, Dwayne Bravo, Sunil Narine, Kieran Pollard, etc. These players have the handle and the West Indies board have the blade. If the West Indies cannot accommodate them when they are available and willing to play, too bad for us as West Indian fans. And I cannot, with a clear conscience, blame the cricketers. They have short careers and a limited time to earn. You remember Mr. Chin Shop? You remember? Yes. When Russell go up there and take out in West Indies cap and show Mr. Chin and say, give me some grocery, Mr. Chin. What do you think Mr. Chin is going to say to Russell? The Russ, you show me cap. Me no want cap. Me want cash. Me want cash. No cap, cash.